how to add and set up driving mode on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on mode and routines. So after click on mode and routine, so click on driving. So after click on driving, so click on start. So after click on start, so driving and Android Auto, so click on Android Auto. So after click on Android Auto, click on next. So after click on next, you will select do not disturb and click on next. So click on open an apps or do an app action. So you will select app from here. So after select app, click on done and click on media volume. So you will increase and decrease volume and click on done and click on read notification and allow. You will see. So you will see modes and routines turn on and click on allow and click on Bixby voice wake up, so on or off and click on done and you will see and you will see driving and Android audio is connect. So you will see add action from here. So you will add action from here, flight mode and anything from here. So Bluetooth devices connect and disconnect from here. So go back and you will see add action from here. So after the process, after set, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can how to add and set up driving modes on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.